In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Pay through Jotform's Stripe checkout integration. This guide is ideal for those looking to streamline their payment processes on forms, and I'll walk you through each step in a straightforward and clear manner. We'll start by heading over to the Jotform website. Go ahead and log into your account. If this is your first time, use your credentials to access your workspace dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a section called All. Here you can browse through your existing forms. Select the form you wish to edit by clicking on it, and then click on Edit Form to open it up. This will take you to the form builder where you can make any changes you need. Next, we want to focus on the payment properties. In the form builder, locate the Payment Properties option. This is where various payment settings are configured. Click on this option, and you'll be presented with the choice to add a payment connection. Choose this option to proceed. Now, you'll want to find Stripe Checkout. It's a popular gateway choice, enabling smooth transactions. Once you've spotted Stripe Checkout in the list, select it and click on Next to continue. This step ensures that we are opting for the correct payment method that supports Google Pay. Afterwards, you'll need to add your name for clarity in the payment process. This is a minor detail, but important for identification purposes. You will see the option to connect with Stripe Checkout. Select it. This button is instrumental in beginning the integration process with Stripe. At this point, Stripe will prompt you to follow a verification process. This is a standard procedure to ensure that your account setup is secure and legitimate. Make sure to provide any required information accurately. Once you have completed this step, you'll be able to log into your Stripe account. Remember to have your Stripe credentials handy for this process. Successfully logging in means you've integrated it correctly, bringing you one step closer to enabling Google Pay for your Jotform. And there you have it. You're all set to start using Google Pay through Jotform's Stripe checkout integration. This setup not only enhances the payment options available on your forms, but also ensures that your users have a seamless experience. We hope this tutorial was easy to follow and helpful. If you have more questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!